How can you divide mentally? Mr. Diaz ordered a supply of 1,800 pastels. He wants to divide them equally among his class and 5 other art classes. How many pastels does each class receive? If Mr. Diaz stores the pastels so each class will receive new pastels 5 times a year, how many pastels are handed out each of the 5 times? Into how many equal groups are the 1,800 pastels being divided? The pastels will be divided into 6 equal groups. Division is used to find equal groups. The dividend divided by the divisor is equal to the quotient. You can use basic division facts and place value to divide. There are 1,800 pastels to be divided among 6 classes. Find 1,800 divided by 6. Use the basic division fact 18 divided by 6 equals 3. 18 hundreds divided by 6 equals 3 hundredths, or 300. 1,800 divided by 6 equals 300. Each class will receive 300 pastels. Why do you use the basic fact 18 divided by 6? You can solve 1,800 divided by 6 mentally using 18 divided by 6 equals 3, and by using place value patterns to recognize that 2 zeros need to be placed after the quotient of the basic fact. Let's look back at another part of the problem. If Mr. Diaz stores the pastels so each class will receive new pastels 5 times a year, how many pastels are handed out each of the 5 times? To answer this question, find 300 divided by 5. Why is 300 divided by 5? Mr. Diaz hands out pastels 5 times a year, so the quotient of 300 divided by 5 gives the number of pastels he hands out each time. Use the basic division fact 30 divided by 5 equals 6. 30 tens divided by 5 equals 6 tens, or 60. 300 divided by 5 equals 60. Each class will receive 60 pastels 5 times a year. Now you know how to divide mentally.
Great job! You're good at math.